Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th June 2025. Indian electronics manufacturers face hurdles in securing government approval for joint ventures with Chinese firms, hindering technology transfer for component manufacturing. Concerns over Beijing's stance and unofficial equity stake mandates are delaying plans and prompting companies to seek alternative partners. Apple's expansion plans in India may also face delays due to these restrictions. Private sector banks charge higher spreads on loans compared to public sector banks, ranging from 40 to 200 basis points more, according to recent RBI data. Despite this, private banks demonstrated more effective transmission of policy rates during a period of tight liquidity. The RBI is considering new guidelines to improve policy rate transmission, potentially announced this Friday. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has notified the company's Management and Administration Amendment Rules 2025, introducing significant revisions to Forms MGT 7, MGT 7A, and MGT 15. These revised forms will come into effect from 14 July 2025 and will be made available on the MCA version 3 portal from the same date. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has issued the Company's Cost Records and Audit Amendment Rules 2025, bringing key changes to Forms CRA2 and CRA4, which are related to the appointment and report submission of cost auditors. The amended rules will come into effect from 14th July 2025. Eternal, formerly Zomato, has launched an electric rental bike fleet in Delhi NCR, initially deploying 300 EV bikes for food delivery partners with plans for nationwide expansion. The company had earlier announced its plans to have a 100% EV fleet by 2030 and achieving net zero emissions across its food ordering and delivery value chain by 2033. Currently, around 10% of Zomato's delivery force uses electric vehicles. These partners have contributed to avoiding approximately 4,900 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions, which equates to the environmental impact of planting an estimated 220,000 trees in financial year 25. The Prime Minister's office is convening a meeting on Friday to explore strategies for fostering the growth of large domestic accountancy firms to rival the dominance of the Big Four. Chaired by Shaktikanta Das, the meeting will assess potential regulatory changes and interventions to facilitate the scaling up of Indian firms. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.